Alright, here's a great find I found at the thrift shop yesterday for $6. One of these King of fans, 36-inch tauras fans. I don't really know if they're good quality or if they are cheap or what. But I'd have to say it's pretty good based on the airflow that one's putting out. Right there. Anyway, here's the everything came in the box original. It even included screws to hang the ceiling fan with, but the screws they provide, even if you provide the best screws with these ceiling fans, when you try to screw one up out here, them heads are just going to get screwed unless you use pressure treated. Or basically, here's what happened to the heads whenever I tried using them. See, this one is to the point where it's not even usable anymore, and so is the other one that I had in here. Anyway, original instructions, which you gotta love how simple they made these, and it shows everything how it's supposed to fit together. Then there's every single wiring diagram in simple language. Here's a important card for why you have to return the fan to the manufacturer. Here's the warranty card, and here's the warranty. And then here's the installation instructions. Just one page. The last ceiling fan I got had 7 pages worth of stuff, and I don't like reading that much. Anyway, here it is right here. It runs pretty good. It's been running for 3 hours, and it's us. I don't know how high of an RPM it has. I'm guessing 360, and this is on high speed. Light kit. I'm always gonna wind up pulling the light kit switch first. Medium speed. Okay, let me get closer again. Low speed. And I'm guessing at low speed it's running at 80 RPMs to 60 RPMs. But it don't have a sticker on this fan. Anyway. And here, let me just slow it down. And it does have the reverse blade function, or the reverse switch on it, but I don't want to use it because it's outside, and plus it's about 100 degrees out here. Anyway, you can see how it looks. It's brass, and it actually looks like a CEC spinner ceiling fan. And you can see it's got the nice gold layout on it, and there's the light kit again. It's got a 10-watt bulb. I think I got enough friend to put a 13-watt in here, but I don't want to because it lures too many bugs. Anyway, I'm going to turn it back on now because it's 100 degrees out here. And this is pretty much the permanent layout I'm going to go for. What I need to do next in this outdoor project is to simply take down all these. Well, I need to first put the roof on, and then next year, if I can find a better job, get rid of all this wiring, because this wiring ain't up to code, first of all, and second, it'll be about time to replace it in a couple of years. Anyway, but everything works out here, and it works right now. But I do plan on replacing all this wiring someday, when the economy's better, and well, in general everything's better. And the Moss Emperor and the Minuet 2, you can see them running. Although yesterday this pull broke on the Minuet 2. This pull, you can't control the speeds with it anymore without pushing it back in, and it's just so much of a hassle now that I just don't even bother with that. I'll be changing that out next week though. Or actually next month, be more likely, on July 18th. Because, well, whenever you pull this out, it basically stays pulled out and don't retract back in. And I need to go ahead and end this video because I'm about out of battery. Anyway, you can see, and here's the update on it.